Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hard reset the Vivo Y200. Now first of all, just power off your smartphone. Now to do that, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Just like that. Now from here, just select power off. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to completely power off. Now from here, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Just like that. Now just wait for a few seconds, then release the buttons when the fast boot option appears. Just like that. Now from here to navigate this screen, just press the volume down button and select recovery mode. From here, just press the power button to confirm recovery mode. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now from here, just select clear data. Now just tap on clear all data. From here, just tap on OK. Now it will take some time to clear all the data on your smartphone. Now just tap on return. Now from here, just tap on this arrow icon at the top left on the screen. Now just tap on restart. Now just tap on OK. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart. And this is how you can hard reset the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.